Hello friends, so is your engine running hot? Or maybe you notice your cooling fan working way too much or, not enough. If your scanner shows code P0483, it means there's an issue with the cooling fan rationality check, which could actually lead to overheating and, some pretty serious engine damage. In this video, I'll explain what P0483 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. So what is P0483? The P0483 code stands for Cooling Fan Rationality Check Malfunction. Basically, this means the engine control module, or ECM, has detected a mismatch between the cooling fan's operation and the engine temperature. If this issue isn't fixed, your engine may overheat, which can reduce performance and, honestly, increase repair costs quite a bit. So, here are some common symptoms of a P0483 code. First, you might notice the check engine light is on. The cooling fan could be running constantly or, not at all. Engine overheating, especially if you're stuck in slow traffic, can also be a sign. You might even have some issues with your AC performance. And sometimes, there's poor fuel efficiency because the fan is running more than it should. Just a heads up, ignoring this issue might lead to engine overheating and even possible head gasket failure. Alright, let's talk about where to actually find the sensors and components you'll need for diagnosing a P0483 code. To get started, you'll want to locate these key components. First up, the cooling fan relay or relays. These are usually found in the fuse or relay box under the hood, typically near the radiator or the fender. Alright, so let's talk about the cooling fan motor and assembly. It's actually mounted directly on the radiator. Next up, the engine coolant temperature sensor, or ECTS. Typically, you'll find it on the thermostat housing or sometimes near the cylinder head. And finally, the powertrain control module, or PCM. This is usually mounted on the firewall or under the dashboard. Okay, let's talk about the wiring harness and connectors. The wiring harness runs between the fan relays, the ECM, and the coolant temperature sensor. Oh, and just a quick tip, some cars actually have multiple cooling fan relays, so it's always a good idea to check your service manual for the exact locations. Now let's get into some of the common causes of a P0483 code. First up, a faulty cooling fan relay. A malfunctioning relay might not activate the fan properly, which can definitely lead to some issues. Reason number 2, a defective engine coolant temperature sensor, or ECTS. If this sensor isn't working right, it can give incorrect readings and, well, that just confuses the engine control module. Number 3, wiring issues. Sometimes loose or corroded wires between the fan motor, the relay, and the ECM can cause all sorts of trouble. And finally, number 4, cooling fan motor failure. If the fan isn't spinning at the correct speed, it just can't do its job properly. Okay, so number 5, ECM software issue. It's pretty rare, but sometimes the ECM might actually need to be reprogrammed. Alright, let's talk about how to fix that P0483 code. First things first, step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0483 code. Alright, so step 2 is to check the cooling fan relays. You'll want to swap it with a similar relay to see if that fixes the issue. Step 3, inspect the cooling fan motor. Just apply direct 12-volt power to it and see if it spins properly. And finally, step 4 is to test the engine coolant temperature sensor, or ECTS. If it turns out to be faulty, go ahead and replace it. Okay, so step 5 is to inspect the wiring and connectors. Make sure to repair or replace any broken wires you find. Now for step 6, you'll want to test the ECM output signals. You need to ensure the ECM is sending the correct voltage to the relay. Alright, so step 7 is to clear the code and take your car for a test drive. Go ahead and reset that fault code, then see if the issue is resolved. The P0483 code is usually caused by a faulty cooling fan relay, a wiring issue, or sometimes a defective coolant temperature sensor. Fixing this problem will help you prevent overheating, improve your fuel efficiency, and most importantly, protect your engine. For more car troubleshooting guides, you should definitely check out these videos next. P0234, turbocharger overboost condition, and P0235, turbocharger boost, sensor A circuit malfunction. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. Thanks for watching.